Hi everyone, in this video we'll take a look at two new ways you can create a Miro board. This is not from Miro.com. Um, this is not the traditional way of creating a Miro board, but it's slightly different. And so what we're going to do is we are going to open up a new tab and we are going to type in wireframe.new. When you hit enter, what this is going to do is it is um, going to automatically open up Miro and create a new board in your Miro account. So are if you're not already logged in, then it might ask you to log in, but let's say if you're already logged in your browser, it will create a new board and open up the wireframes panel for you, and then you can basically create your wireframes right away. So that's if you want to create a new Miro board with wireframes already pre-selected, then you can do so by visiting the URL wireframes.new. And if I close this, open up a new tab, and I type in workshop.new. If I hit enter, it will again create a new board in the background and in my Miro account, and it will paste some content, workshop content, in my Miro board for me to use right away. So these are two ways, two shortcuts of creating a Miro board. One is wireframe.new and second is workshop.new. So as you can see, the template that it has pasted has some nice sort of it's like a starter pack. So it has some content that you can already just use and just right away use it for your workshops. So that is two different ways. Now these two different ways, I would say probably non-traditional ways, is because of the .new domains. The whole purpose of .new domains is to just add shortcuts to be able to create something, so something very quick and easy. And if you want to have a look at more ways you can use the .new domain, you can check this website out called what's.new and /shortcuts, and it has a whole bunch of different options, and it tells you what each option does as well. So for example, .net.new it creates a new .NET application in a test environment. So a lot of shortcuts here that you can use your .new domain for, and in Miro we have taken a look at two of them. One is wireframe.new and second is workshop.new. That was a quick video. Hope you like it. Give it a quick thumbs up and do subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. And of course, if you found this useful, share it with your friends, with your family, and with your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.